Now, those of you that are coming into the trucking industry that are single, all right, and you don't have a family, let me give you a little bit of advice. If you're single, male or female, and you want to be a truck driver, get rid of your apartment. Get rid of your car. All right. Now, you say, well, common sense 95 or house common sense, you crazy. That's what I thought when I first got into the trucking industry. That's what my driver manager told me to do. And today, I regret not doing it. Right. If you're going to run over the road, you're only going to be home anyway from 2 to 3 to 4 days out of the month. All right. It depends on how long you want to stay out. Most companies, all right, give you 1 day for every week that you stay out. That's the standard. Okay. Now, some companies is a little bit more flexible. All right, with your home time. All right. Depending on how long you're willing to stay out as an over the road driver. All right. You don't need an apartment. You're not going to be there no more in about, what, 2 to 3 to 4 days out of the month. Huh? What do you need an apartment for? When you come off the road on your home time, get your hotel room. Stay with friends and family. You drop the apartment. What apartment costing now? Huh? $1,200-$1,400. That's what you save when you get rid of that apartment. All right. You got to have your lights. Where your light bill running now? At least $150 a month. You save that when you get rid of that apartment. All right. What about your water bill? They charge you for water now. All right. That's going to be at least $40 a month. You save that. All right. You got apartment insurance to protect your valuables. All right. That's going to run you about $30 a month. You get rid of that. Save that. All right. Now let's get down to the car. All right. What you need a car for? It's going to be parked at home or at the terminal. Huh? Where you work at. Huh? You ain't going to get to drive it but once a month. You don't need a car. You don't need a car. You still making them car payments? You get rid of that. Turn the car back in. Let the car go. You let the car go, you let the payments go, you let the liability go, you let the maintenance go. Huh? You gotta have car insurance. You let that go. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All those are liabilities. See, a car is a liability. An apartment is a liability. All right? Now, if you're buying a house, all right, then you're on a different umbrella if you already started buying a house. Okay? But if you got an apartment, get rid of it. Get rid of your car. Well, you said house common sense, but if I get rid of my car, then how I'm get around when I'm on my home time? Well, if the company lets you take the truck home, all right, most likely you drive the truck around. Yeah. Or option 2, rent your car for 2-3 days. Borrow a family member car. Huh? Yeah. If you got a girlfriend, let her borrow her car or let her take you where you need to go. You get rid of the liabilities. Now all that money you were paying out on the car, the apartment, okay, you're saving. Do that for about 5 or 10 years. And if you want them, you can quit. Start doing something else. Or you might want to buy your own truck. Yeah. You got a stash. Huh? You got some dollars saved up. You continue the truck 5, 10, 15, 20 years. All that money you're saving, you come off the road and basically do what you want to do. That's what my driver manager told me to do back in the 80s when I first started trucking. Okay? Now, I mean, I did all right, by not listening to him, but I would have did a whole lot better if I had listened to him. Yeah. So, just some tips out there for y'all that thinking about coming into the trucking industry, wanting to be a truck driver. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for listening.